Hello students, I am Raj Rajeshwari. Let us see under exercise 4.5 sixth sum. Draw an equilateral triangle of side 6.5 cm and locate its orthocenter. Previous sum we have seen what is an orthocenter using the paper cutting as well as we have constructed the orthocenter for that sum. And for this sum also we are going to construct the orthocenter, and since it is given it is an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal in length, and let us take all the sides with a measure 6.5 cm and draw the rough diagram. And I named the triangle as ABC. You can give your own name also. And now let us draw the FAD diagram. Now draw a line segment AB is equal to 6.5 centimeter. I am taking 6.5 centimeter and I am drawing a line. Okay. Name it as AB. Name the line segment as AB. AB is 6.5 centimeter. And since it is an equilateral triangle, it has equal measures for all the sides. So with A as center, I am going to take 6.5 centimeter and cut arcs with A and B. Okay, for both sides we have 6.5 centimeter. So first with A as center, I am going to cut an arc of 6.5 centimeter. Okay, like this. And again with the B as center and with the same measure, I am going to cut another arc on the previous arc of 6.5 centimeter. Name the meeting point of both these arcs with the letter C. Join AC and BC. Join AC and BC. Now you can see that you got a triangle ABC, an equilateral triangle ABC with measure 6.5 centimeter. Now let us construct the orthocenter for this triangle. For constructing the orthocenter, let us draw altitudes from vertex C, A and B. Now I am going to construct an altitude from the vertex C. So for that I am going to keep the compass, needle end of the compass here, and I am adjusting the compass. Okay. And let me cut off on the in two places. Side AB la rendu place la neenga indha mari small arcs cut panikonga. Okay. Now in the arc vandu in the side la enga cut aayirukko with these 2 points. In the rendu point layum vechi you make this compass little small. Ida konjam kutti aakittu keep the needle end here. First I am keeping here, cut an arc. Okay. Again from here inga vechi innoru arc cut panikalam. Okay ma. From C, we can draw an altitude. C la irundhu the arc irukliya, and the meeting point irukliya, arc oda meeting point, adukku neenga oru line varayanum. You will get an altitude. Ipo oru altitude namakku kadachiruchi. This line is perpendicular to AB. So in the same way, A la irundhu na enna seiya poren, innoru altitude varaiya poren from vertex A. So keep the needle end of the compass here, adjust the compass. such that it can cut in two places. இந்த ரெண்டு பிளேஸ்ல கட் ஆகிற மாதிரி நீங்க என்ன செஞ்சிடணும், உங்களோட காம்பஸை அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கணும். இந்த சைடில் ரெண்டு பிளேஸில் இந்த மாதிரி கட் ஆகணும். அந்த மாதிரி நீங்கள் வந்து என்ன செய்யுங்க, உங்களோட காம்பஸை அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே, நவ் இந்த ஆர்க்ஸ் எங்கே கட் பண்ணியிருக்கோ இந்த ரெண்டு பிளேஸையும் நீங்கள் மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Mark those two places and again make this compass little small. And keep the needle end like this here. இங்க நீங்க மார்க் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்க பிளேசஸ்ல நீடில் எண்டை வச்சு நீங்க என்ன செய்யறீங்க, ரெண்டு ஸ்மால் ஆர்க்ஸ் நீங்க வரைஞ்சிடுறீங்க. Draw another altitude from vertex A. இங்க இருந்து நீங்க இன்னொரு ஆல்டிடியூட நீங்க வரைங்க. Now you will get another altitude. இன்னொரு ஆல்டிடியூட் உங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சிச்சு. இந்த ரெண்டு ஆல்டிடியூடும் எங்க மீட் ஆகுதோ அதுதான் நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம், we'll say it as the ortho center of the triangle. இதுதான் ortho centerன்னு சொல்லுவோம். If you want to draw another one altitude, you can draw from here. Okay, now the meeting point of these three altitudes is the ortho center of the triangle. We'll denote with the letter H, and you can write the measures here 6.5 centimeter and here also 6.5 centimeter. Okay, now we constructed the altitude for this triangle, students. I hope you understand this sum, students. Please subscribe my channel, students. Thank you, ma.